For me, productivity is everything. That's why I chose TDM. My name is Julio Vasconcelos. I am engineering manager for Sandvik Coromant at our production unit here in Mebane, North Carolina. What TDM did for us, and it became the center of the information that runs the entire facility in terms of tooling. TDM has so many features, but if I had to pick the top three, I would say the ability to create tools for different softwares, the flexibility to have live data in all the machines and computer in productions and anywhere in engineering, and also the fact that when I need to assemble a tool, all the information, all my spare parts are readily available. At the end of the day, we are saving time and then the productivity. So the machines are running more and then in more reliable way, so we trust the information that's there. I would definitely recommend it to anybody that's looking for a way of managing better the tools.